Hello everyone, welcome back to mechanical.com. In this video, we are going to create this 3D model with the help of its drawing. So let's start with its drawing. See, this is the isometric drawing. Note all the dimensions are in millimeter. This box is 50 by 90 mm and also the width is 50 mm. And there is a cutout. This height is 15 mm and the distance from this point to the outer point is 45 mm. So let's make this first. Go to SolidWorks, open a new part file, click OK, select here top plane and sketch. Now draw a center rectangle, go to Smart Dimension. This length is 90 mm and this length is 50 mm. Now go to Features, select here Extruded Boss Base, select here Blind and type here 50 mm. Click OK. Now select this face and sketch. Now draw a corner rectangle, click OK. Now go to Line Command and draw lines like this. Now come back to this point and this will convert a line into an arc and join up to this line. And now close the geometry. Click OK. Now go to Smart Dimension. This height is 15 mm and also from this point to the outer point the distance is 45 mm. Now for these dimensions go to drawing. See, this curve is radius 20 mm and the distance from this point to the outer point is 55 mm. So go to SolidWorks. The radius is 20 mm and also from this point to the outer point is 55 mm. Click OK. Also make a relation. Select this point, press the Control key and select this line and make relation coincident. Click OK. Now go to Features, select here Extruded Cut and want to cut through all. Click OK. See, now go to Drawing. Now we will make these features. See, this depth is 15 mm and this distance is 10 mm. And from this point to this point, the distance is 30 mm. And also, this is 5 mm and the same 10 mm and the depth is 15 mm. So let's make this. Go to SolidWorks, select this top face and sketch. Now draw a corner rectangle like this. Escape. Select this point. Press the Control key and select this region and make relation vertical. Click OK. Now go to line command and draw lines like this. Escape and again go to line and draw another line like this. Escape. Now go to smart dimension. From this line to this line, the distance is 10 mm. And also from this line to this line, the distance is 25 mm. From this line to this line, 10 mm. And also from both edges, it is 10 mm. Now go to features, select here extruded cut. First of all, select this face, select here blind and type here 15 mm. Click OK. Now go to same sketch, select here extruded cut. This time select this contour and type here 5 mm. Click OK. Again go to the same sketch, select here extruded cut. This time select this one and this one. Select here blind and type here 20 mm. Click OK. Now we will make the holes. So go to drawing. See, this hole is 24 mm and it is in the center. And also this is dia 18 and this is 15 mm. This is 12 mm and the distance from this line to the outer line is 19 mm. And also there is a fillet. See, the fillet radius is 10 mm. So go to Solidworks, select this face and sketch. Draw a circle. First of all, draw a center line. Escape. Now draw a circle. See, this is the center point. Go to smart dimension. Meter is 24 mm. Click OK. Also make a fillet. So go to fillet, exit first of all. Go to fillet, select these two corners and type here 10 mm. Click OK. Now Again go to the sketch and edit sketch. Now go to circle and draw one circle. Now go to line command and draw lines like this, and now escape. Now select this point, press the control key and select this origin, and also select this center point and make relation vertical. Click OK. Now go to smart dimension. The diameter is 18 mm. This length is 12 mm. And now the remaining will be automatically 19 mm. See? And the last thing, the distance from this point to the outer line. It is not given in the drawing. So let's assume it is 20 mm. Click OK. Now go to features, select here extruded cut and select these two faces. My mouse is not working well today, and select this one and select here through all. See, our part is complete now. There is one mistake, so go to sketch, go to trim entities and trim this line. Click OK and exit the sketch. Now see, our part is complete. You can also assign some material. So go to appearances and select any color you want. I'm selecting this color and OK. Now see, our part is complete. I hope you liked the video. If you liked, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos.